He's very talkative. Everyone else, except for him and Birdie, are very quiet. Oh, oh, here's our sweet local sweetheart, Molly Wally. And that's cinnamon roll. And I believe that's crust. Oh, there she is. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Oh, Molly Wally. Posing for a picture. Oh, I'm gonna boop her nose. Oh, you're so bad. You're so bad. Who's that? Oh, that's Dobby right there. He's handsome. He's extra handsome. Look at him. Cinnamon roll. Oh, she's sass. Full of sass. Oh, there's my boy Shorty. Shorty. Shorty, where you go? Oh, they're wrestling again. I just put the blanket there for them to lay down. And they are not laying down. No. Well, kind of. Don't worry, guys. I gave them that cardboard to chew on. It keeps them from chewing on other shit. Like those. She won't let me help her up there. No, she keeps moving. I'm trying to help you. Focus. Focus. Oh, there it goes. I seen talking here. I do have a flashlight. It's just not shining at the babies. Hold on.